Assalamualaikum and greeting to all. Today I would like to share with you guys about inheritance and polymorphism. The example question for the inheritance and polymorphism is like this. So, for the it's about laundry surface. For the superclass, we call it a laundry service, and the declaration will be public abstract class laundry service, and this is the declaration. Default constructor, normal constructor, setter, getter, and toString. This is a declaration for the processor that we'll use in a subclass. For the subclass, we have a wet clean and dry clean. So wet clean, to start our subclass, we need to declare a public class wet clean extend laundry service, so that the wet clean will inherit data for the laundry service. And we have the additional variable that used only for the wet clean. So wet clean, we will use type and weight. So the default constructor will be a public wet clean. This one. This is a default constructor, normal constructor, setter, getter, toString, and for the processor, we will inherit the amount due on the superclass, so public double amount due, and this is the processor for the wet clean to calculate the amount. For the amount, we have two types of we will use data from the get type, which is close. For the type, we have close and others. So the else will be others. So if the type of the wet clean is closed, so the amount will be calculated like this. And if the type of wet clean is others, the amount will calculate like this. So and then you will return the amount of the type of the wet clean. Okay, next we will have another subclass which called dry cleans, and also same as the wet clean, we will declare as a public class dry clean extends laundry service, which is it will inherit the laundry service data from the laundry service, and additional variable, which is quantity for the dry clean. So for the dry clean, we'll have normal constructor, default constructor, normal constructor, setter, getter, and also the processor of a dry clean. So the amount due of the dry clean will be based on quantity, how many quantity of the dry clean, and it will count the price, I mean the amount. For the wet clean, we count based on the type of wet clean, the type of the wet clean for the type and weight. So for the dry clean, we calculate based on quantity. So the quantity, how many quantity, if the greater and less than 12, greater than 6 and less than 12, the amount we calculate like this, and have a 7% of discount. If the quantity is greater than 12, we will have 12% of discount, and if the quantity of the laundry is less than 6, it will have no discount and calculate as usual, and will be returned the amount. After we do the superclass and have the subclasses, we will do the last class, which is a main class. So main class, we will import, and then for the declaration, we will a public class laundry service main. and public static void main as a main that usually we use. So the scanner, and this is the array. Also this is number of and this is the declaration of the array. So this is how we prompt name and input to n, code and insert to C, and then the type of the clause and insert to I. So if the user insert 1, so it will on the loop of 1, which is wet clean, and enter the type which is wet clean, and then the weight, and will insert to the array. Else, if the type of the clause, and if the user insert 2, so the system will print will ask user about the quantity of the quantity and insert to the array. So next, to print out the customer detail. So the customer detail will be is array to string and amount due. So amount due. So for amount due, we will and this one is the amount due of this calculation. If the wet clean and the amount due that we calculate in processor of the subclass, which is the wet clean amount due and dry clean amount due. Okay, next is about how we can calculate the total amount of clothes. So this is how we calculate the total amount of clothes. The use of instance of is we inherit the data from the wet clean subclasses. So to calculate the data which is only for clothes. Next, this is total amount due for wet clean service and dry clean service. So this is for wet clean, and this one is for dry clean. So for the dry clean, for the wet clean, we calculate how much the dry clean amount that we, and how much the total amount that we get from the wet clean, and how much the total amount that we get from the dry clean. And that's all for today. Thank you. Output of the coding. So number of customers is 4. So the loop will be 4 times. This is the main code for sign number for the main, first, and 1. So type of code is wet clean. So type 5. Type of code is user, and then weight is 2 kilo. The next is Atikah. Code 2. Type of code is 1. And the weight, and this is other. Then weight is 2. Muhammad. Code 2. Type of code is 2, which is dry clean. The quantity is 4. Fadzil. Code is 4. Type of code is 8. So the detail is Annisa. Code 1. Cases weight 200. Amount due is 400 because for the coding for the cases, if the type is closed, the price is 2 times weight. So 2 times weight, 2 times 2 is 4. So the next one is the 2 is others, which is the amount due is calculated as 2 times 3. So the total will be 6. is completely is greater than 6 and less than 12, which is 8. So 8 times 15 and another 7